Chapter 7 Majestic Indian Fortresses Kangra Fort, Himachal Pradesh. Kangra Fort is one of the oldest and largest forts in India, located in the picturesque Kangra Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Built by the Katoj dynasty, it has witnessed numerous battles and invasions, including attacks by the Mughals and British. The fort offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and houses ancient temples within its complex. Despite its age, it remains a significant historical and cultural landmark in the region. Kumbhalgarh Fort, Udaipur. Kumbhalgarh Fort, located near Udaipur in Rajasthan, is famous for having the second longest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. Built by Maharana Kumbha in the 15th century, this massive fortress is surrounded by rugged hills and dense forests. It is known as the birthplace of the legendary Rajput warrior Maharana Pratap. The fort is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular tourist destination. Fort Aguada, Goa. Fort Aguada is a well-preserved 17th century Portuguese fort located in Goa, overlooking the Arabian Sea. Built in 1612, it was designed to defend against Dutch and Maratha invasions and also served as a crucial freshwater supply point for ships. The fort features a historic lighthouse, which is one of the oldest in Asia. Today, it is a popular attraction, offering stunning sea views and insights into Goa's colonial past. Nahargarh Fort, Jaipur. Nahargarh Fort stands on the Aravalli Hills, offering panoramic views of Jaipur, the Pink City of Rajasthan. Built by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II in 1734, it served as a retreat for the royal family and was later expanded for defense. The fort is known for its beautiful Indo-European architecture and intricate murals. At night, it provides a spectacular view of the illuminated Jaipur skyline. Golconda Fort, Hyderabad. Golconda Fort, located in Hyderabad, is an architectural marvel known for its advanced acoustic system and rich history. Originally built by the Kakatiya dynasty and later expanded by the Qutub Shahi rulers, it was once a major diamond trading center. The fort is famous for housing the legendary Kohinoor diamond before it was taken by the Mughals. Even today, its grand halls, gates, and gardens attract history enthusiasts from all over. Bijapur Fort, Karnataka. Bijapur Fort, located in Karnataka, is an impressive example of Indo-Islamic architecture built by the Adil Shahi dynasty in the 16th century. It is home to the famous Gol Gumbaj, which has the second largest dome in the world and a unique whispering gallery. The fort also contains mosques, palaces, and intricate carvings that reflect the grandeur of the Deccan Sultanate. Today, it remains an important historical site in Karnataka. Gwalior Fort, Madhya Pradesh. Gwalior Fort, known as the Gibraltar of India, is a massive hilltop fort in Madhya Pradesh with a history dating back over 1,000 years. Built by the Tomar rulers, it has been ruled by several dynasties, including the Mughals and Marathas. The fort features stunning palaces, temples, and the iconic Sas Bahu temples with intricate carvings. Its imposing walls and rich history make it one of India's most fascinating forts.